Burger is loved by all age groups. So here I bring an Indian style vegetable Tikki burger, which is known as Mac Veggie in McDonald's. Crunchy and spicy patty, soft bun, crispy greens and creamy sauce. This is an abundance of taste, textures and flavors. Look no further, skip the fast food store and make your own burger at home. Stay safe, stay at home and enjoy cooking. Do watch this video till the end. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Heat a pan with half tablespoon butter and around 1 tablespoon oil. Adding half tablespoon chopped ginger and 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 medium-sized chopped carrot, 10 to 12 French beans finely chopped, 1/3 cup boiled peas. Saute all the vegetables for a few minutes. One teaspoon garam masala and adding 3 to 4 medium-sized boiled and mashed potatoes. One teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, and last but not the least, coriander leaves. For sauce, taking 5 to 6 tablespoon mayonnaise and 3 to 4 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Make veg patty. Now take a big portion according to your bun size. Make a ball and give a round shape. Flatten it out and finish the edges by rolling it on the surface like I am doing. Now take 3 to 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour and add water. Please note here the consistency should not be too runny or too thick. Now dip your patty into the batter and then into the breadcrumbs and coat them nicely. Give finishing shape to patty again. Place them into a non-stick pan with 4 to 5 tablespoon oil and let them cook until they turn golden brown from the edges. For assembling, cut your buns into 2 halves. And cook them on tawa with some butter. Now put sauce on one half. Place our patty and some tomatoes, onions, cheese slices and lettuce. And cover them with another half. So look at our final burger. It turned out as we expected, same as McD or Burger King's burger, with extra cheese, soft buns and crunchy, crispy patty, filling your mouth with spicy, cheesy and saucy flavors, which you will never forget. I'm sure you would love to make and eat this mouth-watering and all-time favorite burger at home this week. Please share this Mac Veggie recipes with your family and friends. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more hot and delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon for more updates. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.